In 1 minute, I'm going to share with you how to replace the cabin air filter on your favorite Nissan Titan. Let's get started. Remove your glove box, push this side in and this side out, and load it down to the strap. Here we go. Remove 8mm bolt. Move the door. Pay attention to the airflow direction. Remove old filters. Just point them out. There's the one. There's the second one. Here we go. Airflow arrow should face down. Slide first filter in. Push it to the side. Here we go. The bow's in. Put a plastic door back. Make sure it latched properly. Tie the bolt carefully. Don't strip the threads. Good. Same way. Good to go. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If it's helpful, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.